Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Scorpion from Mortal Kombat, but in a super fun and bouncy rubber hose cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. It really helps the channel grow. So grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's bring this iconic ninja to life in a totally different and playful way. Let's start with the eyes, giving them a sharp, serious expression, like he's not in the mood for games. If anything feels tricky, don't hesitate to pause the video and take it step by step. Now, draw the nose cavity, shaped like a small skull opening, since it's part of the mask design. Add the mask covering the mouth with strong, rounded curves on the cheeks. Scorpion's real name is Hanzo Hasashi. He is one of the most iconic characters in Mortal Kombat. His famous catchphrase is, "Get over here!" Draw subtle lines to suggest the hidden mouth underneath the mask, adding personality. Sketch the ear silhouette even though it's covered by the ninja hood. Keep it visible through the shape. Now define the top of the head, smooth and rounded under the hood. Scorpion is a revenant ninja brought back from the dead. He seeks revenge for the destruction of his clan and family. Draw the neck and chin, tapering down in a slightly funny way into the torso. Let's build the body with a rounded belly, almost forming a number 6 shape for that cartoon exaggeration. Add the yellow shoulder pads, bold and simple. His main rival is Sub-Zero, one of the franchise's central conflicts. Scorpion uses a kunai attached to a rope or chain as his signature weapon. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our playlist full of retro cartoon characters. Just click the card in the upper corner. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Draw the tabard hanging from the waist, both in the front and the back. Remember, arms and legs in rubber hose style are like flexible tubes. That's where the name comes from. Sketch the left leg, curving smoothly downward. Add the left boot, rounded and simple, with a soft cartoon shape. The original Mortal Kombat game was released in 1992. Scorpion appears in almost every game in the series. His design combines ninja aesthetics with supernatural elements. Now draw the right leg, bent dramatically, as if he's in a funny fighting stance. Let us redo that part. Okay, much better now. Add the right boot, slightly lifted and resting on the toes. Draw the left arm, forming a clean C shape, very rubber hose style. Add the left hand, a closed fist with a classic retro cartoon glove. Draw the right hand larger and reaching forward with claw-like fingers as if grabbing the viewer. Our scorpion is looking super funny and cute in this style, even with his intense attitude. Now draw the iconic spear/rope weapon, but give it a more playful look. Add the eyes to the spear's head, turning it into a funny bird-like character. Draw the open beak with tongue inside for extra expression. Sketch the rope connecting the spear, making smooth, flowing rubber hose curves. For colors, go with Scorpion's classic yellow, black, and warm tones, but feel free to color it however you like. And maybe avoid too much blue. We'll save that for Sub-Zero, his rival. And here's our Scorpion. Fierce, funny, and full of retro cartoon charm. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.